What a time not to have the net ready. I'm filming. So the worm done it. Oh, that's a good trout. Big, that's thick. Good fish. Good for you. Look at that smile. Oh, healthy rainbow trout. Good fish. It's okay, it's okay. Take you some pliers and reach down there and grab that hook. And he's colored up nice. There you go.
He's off now.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I thought I seen another hook in his mouth, so I'm sticking my finger in there. Shit. Good fish. Well, here we are at the cleaning table. I think I caught the biggest trout. Beth don't think so, but I do. Since they was all in the same bucket, I'm gonna claim him. How about that? Beth don't look happy about me claiming the biggest trout. There you go, guys. Fine mess of rainbow trout. Gonna make a lot of good meals. We appreciate y'all being with us. Alright guys, we're gonna clean our fish, have something for supper, throw on the grill. I just imagine, since they're so big, those are the ones bad caught. Credit where it's due. Trash bag. We can keep him flat on that board, we won't mess our fillets up. Well, this will go in the trash bag. I'm 100% sure Beth caught that one. That's a pretty fish. But he's gonna taste good. got to do. Give those guys a good rinse. Put them in our Ziploc bag and get the charcoal hot. Hang on. Let me get something to lay them on, kind of get that slimy off of them a little bit. Make them easier to handle. Touch that knife up just a little bit in case I need to clean some more big old trout here in the next little bit. In case Miss Beth catches some more. I always keep this in my cooking box. Sharp mini knife I got. I made short work of those trout anyway, but can't ever tell. Like I always say, sharp knife cuts way better than a dull knife. Alright, guys, we're going to cook some of those trout we caught. I'm going to lay them out here on my impromptu tablecloth where my tailgate don't get dirty and my fish don't either. And we're going to season these guys up and grill them. Put just a hint of garlic salt. And we're going to shower down on them with the lemon pepper. And we're going to start them meat side down. Let them cook a few minutes. And then before they get so done that they fall apart on me, I'm going to turn them over and cook the skin side down. Put a little butter on top of them. Wow, them fillets about to cover that pan up. Darn. Alright guys, we'll get them on the charcoal. There we go. Grilled rainbow trout. Alright guys, we're going to turn these fish before they get too done, fall apart. So careful, we can turn them right over. Not burn our fingers and not drop our fish. That one's kind of heavy. You want to mess with these? You gotta, that was hot. You've got something to put some in, I'll give you a mess of them. If you've got something to put some in, I'll give you a mess.
No. I'll be cooking a little. I was just seeing how you cook it. I do it.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Now that we've got these turned, we're going to put a little butter on these guys. And we're going to add just a little more lemon pepper to that. And it's going to be a lemon pepper buttery goodness. That butter will melt and run down all in that fish. Appalachian mountain trout. Don't get no finer. We can start taking those up. That little one on the end is done. Let me get my spatula. Alright guys, y'all watched us catch them, you watched us clean them, you watched us cook them. Now we're going to eat them. That's just as flaky. If you cook them in the skin like that, makes a convenient cooking platform, and the meat just comes right out. Peels right out of the skin. You eat the meat out of the skin, throw the skin away. That butter and lemon pepper is so good. So good on that trout. There's a bone. Get rid of that. Delicious. I want to thank you guys for joining us on another episode of the channel. We appreciate y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little bit of content. Thank you all so much. I appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next one.